Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island, and I am here to take you through a beautiful 2019 Boston Whaler 420 Outrage. Starting off here at the helm, we've got a huge helm area with two large touchscreen units from Ray Marine, digital throttle and shift from Mercury. This boat is powered by quad 350 Verados, which are inline six supercharged engines. Of course, we've got joystick on this boat, which includes your autopilot and skyhook features. Digital start and stops, trim tabs with indicators, Mercury vessel view, and air conditioning at the helm, and all digital switching. Huge windshield, tremendous visibility with a large windshield wiper and a powered vent. We do have Seakeeper installed on this boat. Above the helm area, we've got storage and control panels. Got a three-person helm seat. Each passenger has their own adjustable armrests and bolsters with cup holders on either side. And this captain seat also slides forward and aft and is powered. You'll notice I'm standing on a C-deck platform that gives you a little extra elevation. This also raises up and locks into place. Got a nice little footstool for your port side observer. Further aft, you've got a second row of seating for additional guests in the cockpit with 6 AC vents for your passengers. This backrest also converts here. Really large, oversized hardware from Boston Whaler. And this seat converts into a summer kitchen. We've got a wet bar sink, a grill, 2 areas of refrigeration, your pull-out drawers, 3 storage drawers beneath. Really awesome area for entertaining all of your guests after landing that big catch on the 42 Outrage. Here at the stern, really large stern seat, can easily seat 4 adults comfortably, high backrest for good support, and then when it's time to fish, stows away really nicely. You notice we've got dedicated storage for a reboarding ladder. Here on the port side, we have an inward entry dive door. That ladder engages right here with a stainless steel handrail to help you get in and out of the boat. You got fish boxes on both sides, both port and starboard in the deck. Large access to all of our systems here, including storage for your cockpit table. We've got another seat here on the starboard side in the cockpit. Bolsters throughout the cockpit as well. So we've got a lot of fishing accommodations as well. Self-bailing cockpit, speakers aft, really large cleats, tow rails, all right here. Rod holders, large bait well on the port side aft. Nice lockable access to the cockpit. And we have a really seamless walk across along the transom. Even with the motors all the way up, I can still get from both sides of the boat really easily. We'll come back around. And check out the accommodations down below before we go down to the bow. So one of the first things you'll notice, we've got a ton of headroom here in the cabin of the 420 Outrage. A lot of great seating here that converts to your bed or sleeping area. Great natural lighting. You don't feel at all like you're in a cave. Wet bar sink area, flat screen television, storage, pull-out fridge, and your head area. Nice tile flooring as well. teak flooring throughout the cabin and along the steps as well. Here on the bow of the 420 Outrage from Boston Whaler, we've got great seating and entertaining accommodations. Adjustable backrests on the bow seating that also lower. This filler cushion is on top of a teak table that's electrically actuated that raises and lowers. Here in the down position, it converts this entire area into a large sun pad. We've got storage beneath both sides of the seating. Of course, you can see we have canvas already in place for the entire boat. We've got cup holders, stereo remote, 12-volt power source, and a switch to power the bow table. Really large chase lounge forward of the console on the 420 Outrage. This also has storage below. This is an absolutely phenomenal boat, great for Charleston if you're doing any long-distance trips or offshore trips, with great accommodations down below to accommodate the family. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're located on Daniel Island. Be sure to come by and check out the 420 Outrage from Boston Whaler, or give us a call if you have any further questions or interest at 843-747-1889, and always visit us online at marinemax.com. Thank you very much. We'll see you soon.